Okay, I'm in the York Street entrance to Wynyard Station. That's York Street out there. And these escalators, they used to have these beautiful old wooden stairs that had been there for decades. They were installed in 1931, and there's a photo from, I think, 1948 to give you a sense of what it was like way back then. Anyway, but Sydney societies were very emotionally attached to these wooden stairs, and so they wanted to keep them when they were removed in 2017, and there they are. They were used to create an installation which is called Interloop, and it was quite a big project. Took 6 months to design, apparently. Took 3 months to actually build, and obviously it needs to be sturdily held there, so that it's got about 1 kilometre of welding, apparently. But anyway, it's quite impressive, and that's Interloop in Wynyard Station.